Hey guys, this is Peter Helm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2018 Scout 275 Dorado. First thing we can see here is the massive cockpit. I mean, again, we have a lot of room in here, just a ton of spots to fish. But again, depending on how we're doing our boating that day, we can switch it up just by folding all these seats up. It really kind of transforms the boat. This one, and one more here. So again, it's just a different setup now. I mean, we have a ton of room back here. This is the Cayenne Interior from Scout. Looks great, not too hot. One thing also we can highlight is that this seat, again, will fold this way, but just for a little bit easier access on and off the boat, you can fold this down. You can access the boat here via the wave gate. Our ski tow pylon, great for a lot of water sports activities. This boat is powered by twin white Mercury 200 Dorados. Really cool engines, actually. You can take a nice shot of those. At the back of the boat, you have this really cool spot. This is actually for your fenders, but it also is insulated, so you can fill it up with ice. We do have rod holders across the back, and our live well here. Great spot for your fish. One thing you can notice, you probably noticed it on the outside of the boat too, is that this is the very popular hard top from Scout. It's nice and sturdy. Grab handles on top. You can also see the LED lighting up there, so at nighttime this boat really pops. Looks really cool. Stainless steel cup holders all around the boat, no shortage of those. Starboard side, we're gonna have our cutting board. And all of our drawers here. Great spot for your lures, your lines. Another great storage spot there. I also forgot to mention too, probably should have highlighted this in the back, but on both sides, port and starboard, we do have nice in-floor storage. Great spot for a fish, or again, if you want to throw some drinks back there, you can. Working our way up to the helm. Twin captain's chairs with thigh-high bolsters and armrests. At the helm itself, we have all of our halo switching, our Garmin GPS chart plotter on there. Great for getting home if you're trying to find some fish. Fusion stereo remote. Again, more cup holders. Awesome footrest here. And our digital throttle and shift. On the port side, our head compartment with sink. It is tall enough you can get in there. I have sat in there. Working your way up to the bow. Really cool spot to sit. Again, on both sides we're gonna have our armrests. You're nice and deep down up in here. Grab handles across the top. More cup holders on this side. More insulated storage. Great spot again. Some drinks or some fish. Another really cool feature here is the table up in the bow. It's a great spot to hang out, have some drinks, have some lunch. Last but not least, the Windlass Anchor and forward boarding ladder. It's a really cool spot getting on up the boat there. Again, just depending on how you're doing your boating that day. And also, nice recessed cleats all throughout the boat too. Gives them a nice clean look. All right, guys, again, this is Peter Helm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any of the boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.